So as you can see, it's running quite well. No more stuck valves, and seems to be a happy Jeep again. I may turn the idle down a little bit. That's probably a little bit higher than I would like it. I would like it at about 800 RPM. But as you can see here, it's running well. The top hose is warm, which means water's getting back to the radiator. And you know, when I had that bad thermostat in it, that top hose stayed cold all the time. That's how I knew the thermostat wasn't opening. But it is running great now. One tip that the radiator shop told me was to change your coolant about every 2 to 3 years, because if you don't run the vehicle enough, that coolant will become acidic and start attacking the metal in the motor. Not terribly worried about that, but this is a nickel alloy block. It's a World War II motor, which I described in my previous video. But anyway, I just wanted to get back to you with this part 2 and show you how she's running nice and cool right there at 160. So we couldn't be happier with that. Next time I'll be doing something else. I might be working on an old 1962 Honda 55 that I have, or might just be doing something else in boating or kayaking, whatever. So stay tuned. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.